This lesson is about brass, one of the most important alloys used for coinage, in particular already from the Romans. We are in the realm of alloys where the most important component is copper. Brass is over here. We already saw billion, which is copper plus silver. We saw this Nordic gold, and now we will discuss brass, copper plus zinc. The story of brass starts with antiquity. It was called orichalcum by the Romans. In this case, we have zinc in the realm of 10–20%. And it was always like that across all antiquity, because basically at the time they didn't have the technology to add more zinc. Then in medieval Renaissance they could go up like 30% of zinc, but the turning point is about 1550, when basically there was developed a new technology to add much more zinc to the brass, reaching about 30–40%. Roman coins will have very little zinc. If we have a coin that has more than that zinc, it's a fake. The first coin we analyzed, this one is a Dupondius, a kind of a Roman Empire coins, was struck by Antoninus Pius, so we are talking about the 2nd century CE. We have the big peak K alpha of copper, and then this one is the K beta of copper, and in the middle is the zinc K alpha peak over here. So we have a little bit of zinc. To the same period we have another Roman coin, is a sestertium from Commodus, so we are still in the 2nd century, a little bit later. The amount of zinc is very little, again what we expect, and we have a little bit more lead, that is typical from the brass of the Roman period, and also we have a little bit of tin, also typical of the orichalcum recipe, this old Roman brass. Then we move now to modern age. We have this coin. This one was struck in Italy in 1939 at 5 cents, is a brass. So we have a copper, we have a tiny bit of zinc, and zinc is very low. And eventually this coin from Yugoslavia, dated 1976, this is a nice example of modern brass, because the amount of zinc now you see is much more.